What's up everyone, this is Ryan here. Today I'm going to do a talking video on the Craftsman compact blower. Now, it will get used again this weekend because I know since the fact this blower is going to get used again this weekend, I hope this one does not die on me this weekend because you can see, okay, you usually got one more, but now it's got back to 2 bars again because you see how much expected this machine's been used almost like a couple times already, which I'm pretty sure it's been used almost like quite a bit because you see how much expected this you can see because you see how much expected this machine exactly, which is definitely looks like pretty nice in my opinion. Now this is a CMCB 100 and what I do like about this little blower here exactly, it just actually looks pretty cool in my opinion. I mean, this thing been used almost quite a bit because you see how much expected this machine's been used almost like quite a bit times. But you know how much expected this machine's already, so like I said, if this floor bag does, I hope the second floor bag does not die me this weekend. Then if it does, then we had to use a 6-up battery on the thing like which it's not a bad idea, was like, but it's definitely what I expected. This machine been used almost like a couple of times area, which is definitely looks pretty much what I expected this machine exactly because like I said, I mean this blower exactly has been used almost like a couple of times area, which is definitely how much I expected this machine exactly, which is definitely looks pretty nice in my opinion. So it will get used again this weekend again, and I know that because I hope this floor bag does not die on me this weekend. But if it does, then we have to use a 6-up battery on this thing, which is not bad in my opinion, but you see how much expected this thing is to get used almost like every single time this machine is like, which is definitely what you expected this machine. And you can tell this thing has been used almost quite a bit because when you expected this blower has been used almost like a couple of times already, I mean don't surprise this thing has to get used almost like quite a bit because well like I said, I mean this machine right here exactly, I do like the same long because you see how much expected this machine exactly, which is it's definitely not that bad in my opinion, but you see how much expected this machine been used almost a couple of times already, which just definitely looks like pretty nice. You can see, like I said, this model is the CMCB0, CMCB100. And what I do like about this blower here exactly, which just definitely looks like pretty nice in my opinion. So it will get used again this weekend again, and you know how much you expected this machine exactly, which it's definitely how much you expected this machine exactly, which just definitely looks pretty much what I expected this machine exactly. So it definitely will get used again this weekend because I know expected this thing exactly, which definitely will be used again this weekend.